Hello and welcome back to Astronomy 104, the astronomy of planets. In this module, you're going to tidy up your exploration of the solar system. In order to do that, the last two sets of solar system bodies you need to study are comets and asteroids. And what you're going to find is that it's by studying these objects that planetary astronomers believe we're able to unlock some of the biggest mysteries about the formation of our solar system. In particular, how did the ingredients for life end up on Earth? In order to understand what comets and asteroids are, you do need a general idea of why they exist. So in the module, you're going to begin with a look at the general picture of solar system formation that can be inferred from the things that we already know about the sun and the planets that we've studied previously in this course. Then with that basic architecture in hand, you'll move on to investigate more specific details about asteroids and comets and the ways that we figure out the things that we know about them. Once those details are laid out, you're then going to go back to the problem of the solar system's origin and see what scientists think they tell us about how it formed and evolved. The format for this module is a little different from the previous ones. Instead of having the key pieces of information given to you in the learning material, you're going to be guided through a series of video clips in which you're asked to find the answers to key questions. Along with the other pieces of the puzzle that you've been gathering throughout the previous modules, such as the late heavy bombardment era that you learned about in Module 6, and the different types of orbits in the Kuiper Belt and the scattered disk that you learned about in Module 9, you'll then finally have all the tools you need to be able to move forward and explore the detailed picture we have of the solar system's formation and evolution over the first billion or so years, along with the problems that are still left to be solved and the work that's currently being done to try and work them out. Have fun.